In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a website using Webflow. Whether you're finalizing the launch of your site or simply updating your content, Webflow makes it straightforward to go live and share your creation with the world. So, let's dive right in and walk through this process together. First things first, if you haven't already, you'll need to open Webflow in your browser. Once you have Webflow open, you'll land on the dashboard where you can see all of your projects listed. Take a moment to locate the specific site you wish to publish. This might be the one you recently updated or a new design you're excited to debut. Simply click on the site's name to open it. Now that you've selected your site, direct your attention to the right-hand side of the screen. Here, you will notice a section labeled Publish. This is where the magic happens. Go ahead and click on Publish. At this juncture, you'll be presented with an option to publish to selected domains. What this means is that you can choose exactly which domains you want your site to be live on. If you have a custom domain linked to your Webflow project, ensure that it's selected. After ensuring your domains are correctly selected, click Publish to Selected Domains. With that click, Webflow will get to work, pushing your site live for the world to see. It's a fairly straightforward action, but it is indeed the final step in the publishing process. Once you've published, you'll likely want to see your freshly updated site to ensure everything is as you intended. To do that, locate the little arrow icon, typically found near the Publish button. Click it, and this will open your site in its fully published form. You're essentially viewing your website exactly how visitors will see it. It's a neat and satisfying part of the process to see your design live on the web. There's just a small caveat to remember here. Sometimes viewing the live site can take a little patience. Once you click that arrow, your site might take a moment to load. This is due to the publishing process completing across the domains and caches updating. So don't be alarmed if things seem a touch slow. Take a sip of your coffee or stretch a bit. While it might take a little longer in some cases, your perseverance will be rewarded when your site appears ready for the digital stage. And there you have it. You've successfully published a website on Webflow. Remember, every time you update your site or make changes, you'll use these same steps to publish those updates. With Webflow's convenient system, keeping your content current and engaging is hassle-free. Thanks for joining today's walkthrough and happy publishing.